Greetings all, Joseph Kursky here with you to talk about how to share content from Business Analyst Web to ArcGIS. So on the right side of Business Analyst Web, I'm going to share the content that I created in prior videos. Convenience store chains that are regional in scope, Casey's and Allsup's. This lesson is available on the Esri Business Education landing page under Lessons and Curriculum. So I have the ability to choose the layers inside this project. And also on the right side, I have the ability to choose inside ArcGIS Online who I want to share this with. A group of people, the entire organization, or even outside as a hosted feature service inside ArcGIS Online where I've got additional capabilities. So I've got some sharing options. Why would you want to share this to ArcGIS Online, the wider community? Well, if you wanted to tell the story of the results of your analysis of what you discovered, so you can get additional stakeholders, additional people that care about such things, or people that don't have Business Analyst Web App. You want to share this to a wider community. So there's lots of reasons, those are just a few, to share out from Business Analyst Web App. Conversely, you can also bring in data from ArcGIS Online to Business Analyst Web App. So you have the ability of using the tools inside Business Analyst Web App on your data that's sitting out in ArcGIS Online. So click here to access the map as I've just shared it. So now it's a content item inside ArcGIS Online and I can open it up in the map viewer. Now I've got additional capabilities in the map viewer to run analysis on that. See, there's the analysis tool on the right-hand side. I've got vector and raster functionality there, about 30 tools in vector, 30 tools in raster that I can do additional analysis. For example, a mean center or standard deviational ellipse. Those tools are not available in Business Analyst Web App. So hence sending it out or sharing it out to ArcGIS Online gives me additional capabilities. And also so that other people can access it as well. And notice that I've checked all the layers when I was sharing it. Inside ArcGIS Online, I have the ability to turn those layers on and off and look at the properties of those things. There's my drive time buffers. They've come over as well. It's amazing to be able to share this out to ArcGIS Online. And of course, another thing is I can save that map and share the map that I've saved with other people too. And of course, since it's in ArcGIS Online, I have the ability to change the symbology, the classification method, etc. All those capabilities in ArcGIS Online are now at your fingertips here. And it is a content item inside your ArcGIS Online organizational zone. So wonderful to be able to do this. And where are these located? It's under BA project data. If I go under there, BA project data, I've got some layers there. And these are the layers that I've shared today with you all, sitting at the top in the reverse date sort. So those are the dates, and those demo layers are the last ones I've shared. I probably, if I was going to use this in a longer term, I obviously would want to rename those, not call it demo layers. That's not really that descriptive. So I would rename that. I'd also populate this metadata. And notice here, I can then open it up in Map Viewer. You also have the ability to open this up, since it's a feature service, inside ArcGIS Pro. Well, what a concept. Why would you want to do that? Because in ArcGIS Pro, you have thousands, not just dozens, but thousands of geospatial analysis tools inside ArcGIS Pro at your fingertips. So again, it's a good thing to be able to go out here and be able to share this content to ArcGIS Online and then from ArcGIS Online back to Business Analyst Web. So I'm back in ArcGIS Online now, and I can see the convenience stores as a feature layer. I also have that web map with those layers inside of it as a web mapping application, which is the BA Preferences. I'm not quite sure what BA Preferences is, but I don't want to delete it. So you also have BA Preferences as a web mapping application. Somehow I suspect that it's needed, although, again, nothing to really do with it, but I'm going to go ahead and set the sharing level to public, and it's saying, hey, you've got this non-editable view layer. You need to do a few things in settings to be able to share this out to the general public. So if I go over to settings on the upper right inside my content item, I've got some click boxes, some check boxes, but here, approve this layer to be shared with the public. That's what I want to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and share this. There's nothing sensitive about the data, but it's good to know that you have lots of granularity in what to share, when to share, how to share, who to share it with. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and check those two things and go ahead and say everyone now that I've altered the setting there, and it's saying, yes, Joseph, you can go ahead and update that, and now it's shared with the general public. Fascinating. Wonderful to be able to do this inside ArcGIS Online, content that I've shared out from Business Analyst Web App. This content, by the way, these convenience stores are not available in ArcGIS Online, so I went to Business Analyst Web App to be able to obtain these convenience store locations. Now I want to take it to a deeper level in ArcGIS Online and or ArcGIS Pro. So that's the reason to share. And I just wanted to show you in the content zone where this stuff is located once you bring it over. Notice I've got a feature layer because I've said yes, and I also have a web map with a couple of layers inside there. And I've got the ability to fire it up. Look at this, ArcGIS Pro. So if I open it up in ArcGIS Pro, again, I've got additional capabilities. Once I share that into, I want to open it up in ArcGIS Pro, it becomes that content item that then is sitting in my downloads folder. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and now I've got it in an ArcGIS Pro session. Notice the same data, and I've got additional capabilities, one of which is I can export features. I can export these into a geodatabase, a variety of other things. But more importantly, even than that, is I've got the ability to further analyze the data using the thousands of analytical tools inside ArcGIS Pro. So sharing and saving data from Business Analyst Web App into ArcGIS. And once you've got it in the ArcGIS platform, then it becomes shareable in ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Pro. I hope that was intriguing and starts some thoughts in your mind about what you can do with this. Thanks for watching.